Hey, man, we're going to, got a club car here. And the problem is, when you hit the gas, got the key on, got it run, you hit the gas, Jay? You're forward, putting it forward, and we hit the gas, you hit the gas. All right, let go, hit again. The solenoid clicks and holds in. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this off here. Just a 10mm socket. And remember this now, if the solenoid clicks, that shows you your key switch is good, toe switch is good, the M core is good, and the controller is putting a ground to the solenoid. Now, it doesn't necessarily mean the solenoid is good because it's just clicking. So you pick up on this here, like that. Put over there, Jay. Now, what we're looking for, as rule number one, you always check battery voltage. So what we're going to do, the voltmeter on both DC, which is going to be V with a straight line, which is down here at the bottom. Right there, V with a straight line. That's your DC voltage. All right, put it on the main negative. Now we got jumper cables here because this car is dead.
Two sockets there, Jason. I'll put them up. I got to put some more up.
All right, to put it on the positive. Like right now, we have it jumping off another car. So right there, you're looking at 49 volts.
Oh, damn.
All right, 49 volts. You hit the gas, we're still holding 49 volts. So we're gonna keep that on the main positive. And what we're gonna do, actually, Jason, hold it on the negative here. We're gonna check the solenoid, both sides of the solenoid being as good. Because like I said, man, M core is good, all that's good because the solenoid is clicking. So we got the negative. I'll take my red lead and I'm gonna put it on the yellow wire, which is right here, which is the wire that comes from the solenoid to go to the controller. So I'm gonna take it. Let's see right there. Stick it on the tab right there. And we hit the gas, and it should show back the same thing you see right here. All right, 49.4. Then I'm gonna take it and go to the other side, which is the side that comes from the battery. It should show the same thing. Yep, all right, so that tells me that the solenoid is good. Now, if you say, well, it showed voltage before you hit the gas, it's going to because it's reading across this resistor here to keep the control box charged, but it really don't have no amp draw on it. So now what we're going to do is put the red lead on the positive, and we're going to put the black lead on the white wire on the controller, which is your A1, which is your output from the controller to the motor. When you hit the gas, it should show battery voltage. All right, got it on there. Now I'm showing voltage, but now, like I said, it's just dead voltage, ignore it. Hit the gas, and you can see it go up, 49 volts. Hit it again, 49 volts. So what that tells you there is that everything is doing its job. Controller's doing its job, it's sending voltage out. So what that means is the motor brushes are bad in the motor. So what we're gonna have to do is get the motor off and see what's going on with it. Now, say you would have checked this, the white wire, and you had no voltage, then you would have replaced the controller. But now with this showing voltage, it means the controller's good, motor's bad. All right, but stay tuned, man.